So in this Notes app tutorial, I will be showing you how to edit font style on the Notes app. So the simplest way to do it is if I were to type in font style a couple times like this as an example, you can highlight the text right here. You can go to this top to where it's capital A, lowercase a. You can kind of change it this way. So if you want it to be like maybe monostyled, you can do that. If you want to maybe make this a heading, you can do that. But if you want to actually change the font style, I'll show you how to do that as well. So if you were to go ahead and highlight the top right here, go to edit, go down to where there's a bunch of different options, but go to where it says format, go to where it says font, and then go ahead and select show fonts. Then on this screen right here, as you guys can tell, I'll make it a little bit larger so it's easier for you guys to see. You can go ahead and select a font and the style. So if you wanted to go to all fonts right here, you can go ahead and change the font. There's a bunch of different styles just like this, right? You can do light, semi-bold, bold, condensed, whatever the case may be. You can go ahead and change the font style that way, and if it looks good to you, you can leave it, and that's your new font style. So that is how to edit font style on the Notes app. Hope this video helps.